to get to the construction site. Here are the fascinating